Section 20, compliance with corporation rules. All the guarantors shall comply with the deeds and agreements, the accommodations agreement, which we're negotiating now, residence handbook, and all rules of the corporation. This is something we would ask of anybody.
Right, but we want to make sure that that includes what was deposited in the HOA, because your lawyers have stated initially that that was just for informational purposes. Obviously, that's inaccurate. They seem to back off that. Carson settlement also gives all stockholders rights. So again, however we word this, however we get this in, we do know the handbook in two places counters the Carson settlement by saying it's some of the property leased to the club. That is not accurate. That is not what is said in the 2015 recorded and deposited in the HOA. So I just, we have two sticking points, and I'm not saying that there's not a solution here. We just have to, I understand the corporation, it was very difficult to find the Carson settlement. They don't send it out to everybody. They don't give it to people at settlements. I'm not here to point fingers and say why that's done, but we're going to follow all the documents as they all collectively work together, and happy to do that. Right now, we see two conflicts in the handbook, and obviously the facilities disclosure agreement is a huge red flag, but we're not being asked to sign them. And if the deeds are changed in the future, which you guys can get 66% of people to change them, we'd obviously push back. Not only as just stockholders, but we would push back just being at 1812. If someone tries to change the deeds and agreements, and so, for example, the definition of occupant, we would push back, and that's those are our rights we purchased our properties under.
That's a matter of overall governance, and not really specific to this agreement, though.
That's a matter of law, Louis. It's a matter of law. What's recorded in the court has the same weight as what's recorded in the land records, same weight as what's deposited in the HOA. It's just a matter of law. And I really think I would ask, and again, I think this has been very helpful for us, hopefully productive for all of us. But I would really pick up the phone, call a settlement attorney, and ask them which has more weight, and they'll tell you that all three of those. And the only thing the settlement attorney will say is, well, is that court document, is that available, or is that not available?
Okay.